So the Sophie and Toffee Elves box for April has finally landed. It's been in transit for so long. It's finally here. And I don't know what's inside, but I do know that the theme is glow. So let's get into it. I mean, really, anything that glows or sparkles or lights up, it's kind of my bag. So I'm sure I'm gonna love this box. Hey guys, it's your girl Ayesha Campbell, and are you ready to glow? Are you ready to sparkle and shine and glisten in the moonlight? I am. I can't wait, actually. I'm very excited. I do hope that there is going to be some sort of light up element in here and that it's not just going to be glow in the dark stuff. Even if it is just glow in the dark stuff, I'm still going to be happy, but I want some lights, girl, okay? Pink scissors at the ready. Let's cut into this bad boy. Now, if you have been considering jumping on the Sophie and Toffee train, make sure that you do so, but that you also grab yourself a cheeky little discount, which I've left for you in the description box below, okay? Don't say that Ayesha Shasha didn't give you anything, okay? Because if I'm getting a hookup, you're getting a hookup too. Okay, so, woo, let's get into the box. Oh my God, I almost cut the actual box. Oh dear. Almost cut a hole in the actual box. I'm not very good at opening stuff. Ugh. Oh, FedEx wrap things up so tightly. Right, here we go. This box is so beautiful. Oh, this feels full. The box feels full. Oh, this is good. This is good. Okay, so it's all wrapped up in our dinosaur paper as per usual. I'm excited. I've got no idea what's in it. No idea. I haven't seen a single spoiler. I don't know how I managed to not see spoilers. I don't know. Okay, there's the leaflet. Let's pop you over there. Oh, I'm smelling resin. Is that resin or is that silicone I'm smelling? I'm smelling something. What is this? This is massive. Why did I just smell it? What is this? Okay, so these are lights, but this is massive. What is this humongous contraption? Oh my God. So we have some strip lights here. What color is this? 1 second. I'm very excited because I just love anything that lights up. I already told you that. I wonder what color this is. Is it gonna be, I'm gonna guess a warm white. That's what I'm gonna guess. Hold on, let's just plug this in. Ah, I was right. It is indeed a warm white. How's about that for a guess? Okay, I am, ooh. Let your soul glow. Just let your soul. Oh my gosh, I love it. Sorry, I get really fascinated with lights. I always have done since I was a child. I can gaze at lights all day, especially twinkly ones. Yeah, so forgive me as I just bask in the ambiance of the light, darling. Okay, that's enough. I like that though. It's massive. Oh my God. Oh my God. I think I broke it. Right, what's next? Ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bottles of resin. Ooh, 6 bottles of glow-in-the-dark UV resin. Right, so what colors have we got? We have black. I wonder what color that glows. Okay, we have black, we have pink, we have, is that gray or silver? We have silver, we have green, yellow, and orange. These are all glow-in-the-dark resins. That's very generous to give us that much. I think that's pretty cool. I'm very intrigued to see how these work. Okay, it makes a change from just having glow-in-the-dark pigment in it. Okay, what's this? That might have been what I was smelling actually. Yeah, it was that. Okay, I don't condone just sniffing resin like I just did. Don't do that. Right, what's this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Glow-in-the-dark pigments. Oh, Do these glow in the dark? Are these glowing glitters? Look at these, guys. These are so pretty. Oh my gosh. Again, glitter, I can stare at that all day. Anything that's twinkly and sparkly, you have my heart. It's a little diddy light, diddy fairy light. It's so small. Yeah, oh, hello, it's a flashing one. Okay, there we go, that's better. As much as I love lights, I can't handle flashing ones, like strobe lights. I can't handle that. So word of warning, this does flash. It has 2 flash settings by the looks of it. Yeah, 2. So it has that, slower flash, and then that. This is where I'll be keeping it. I can manage a twinkle, but if it's like this, forget it, can't do it. This is like a pack of something. Clay? No, surely not for a glow box. 3D paint. Water-based 3D paint. Okay. Do these glow in the dark? I didn't expect to see this. Wow, okay. Sophie and Toffee, is this a new thing? Because it's got your name on it. So like, is this a new thing you're gonna be stocking now? 3D paint, okay. That's cool. 24 hours natural dry. So once you've done your thing, leave it alone for 24 hours. I know it's hard. Same with resin. I know it's really difficult to just like leave it alone, but leave the thing alone and let it do its thing. Intrigued to see what we can do with that. Beautiful, beautiful range of colors there as well. I wasn't expecting this, not at all. Wow, what a generous box so far. Okay, what's this? How random. Okay, so we have a big ass deer. Okay, so these look like some adhesive tabs here. And do we use the 3D paint to go over all of these lines that are drawn on the deer? Is that the craft? Is that the project? Does this then, having a bit of a big brain moment, does this then slot into here like so? Hold on. And then do we, ta-da, and then we have the design on here and it all lights up and looks super duper pretty. Is that the, oh, hello. Hang on, there we go. Is that the craft? Makes sense to me. What a nice craft. This is so pretty. I'm just a little bit baffled. I wouldn't have expected this. I really wouldn't have expected this at all. Wow. I need to make the most glamorous deer I've ever seen. I'm feeling some papers. What's this? Oh. Okay, so this looks like a set of instructions of some sort and some, what looks like shaker film, but I'm guessing it's not meant to be for shakers because it came in this. Maybe you trace over these designs and then like fold them at these certain points. I'm not entirely sure. I'm gonna have to check out the booklet for this piece. I'm gonna have to check out the booklet for this bit. Please do bear with me. I will have the answer in just a moment because this has really confused me. This is what happens when you guys say, we love it when you get so surprised. It means that I don't know what I'm talking about. So you're welcome. Anyway, is that everything? Oh, big load of bubble wrap. I think that's everything. Okay. Yes, I was right. The glitters do glow in the dark. Oh, so there's a selection of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 of them. And you get 5 at random. I'm very happy with my choices. Very, very, very nice. The only thing that's missing is a pastel yellow, and that would have been a complete pastel rainbow. But no, I'm really happy with the colors that I got. Right, so you get some clear PVC, but what do you do with that? Astronaut designs, 3 random designs. Yeah, but what do you do with that? Oh, I was right. Oh! Oh, I would have loved to have had the cat. Oh, look. So you could have either gotten the deer or the cat. You guys know that I'm a cat person. Oh, I would have loved to have had the cat. Never mind, it's fine, it's fine. Deer are very pretty animals too, but I love cats. Love cats, they're my absolute favorite animal. Oh, that would have been so beautiful. Never mind, it's all right, it's all right, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I see now, so these are actually to design a 3D house. That looks rather complicated. I don't know if your girl's got time for that. That looks a little bit on the complex side. Okay. So it says to use the provided templates and trace the house design onto 2 clear PVC sheets using the 3D liner. Okay, so you would use, hello, I'm dropping everything now. You would use your 3D resin and you would trace over the shapes. Then you would cure the resin on that, fill up the spaces with your desired colors. Then once it's dry, you don't peel it off of the sheet, you have to actually cut it out. So the resin will stay stuck to the sheet and you will cut it out along with the entire sheet on there. And then you join the sections together by following the instructions. Okay, I got you. Okay, and with the astronaut, right, I see. So with the astronaut here, where are you? You would do the same sort of thing. You would trace over it using the colored resin. And once it's dry, then you cut them out and then you can pop them into the little lights and make your own pictures. So if I wanted to, I could get myself a picture of a cat and I could trace around it and I could stick it in there and boom, I've got my little light up cat if I wanted to do that. Okay, I've got you now. I understand. It was very confusing to look at first, but I understand. Okay. Oh, we have a winner. Shout out to, this is for the January Elves box, the Chinese New Year box. Shout out to April Beauty 2017, who made some beautiful charms here for Chinese New Year. I wonder if those were actually made into phone grips or not. I'm not entirely sure, but they do look rather pretty. So well done you, sweetheart. Okay, so what do we think about this box? Now, I was not expecting at all anything like this. And I like that Sophie and Toffee have branched out and done something different. I like the deer, would have loved the cat. But that's just personal preference for me. This, I'm trying to think what I could actually use it for. I feel like maybe like a jewelry stand perhaps. So I could like drape my like thinner necklaces on it perhaps, or maybe my rings, a couple of rings on there. But at the same time, do I want to do that? Because that would kind of cover up whatever pretty design I put on there. Do you know what I mean? Or do I create like a sort of magical forest around it? Do I incorporate it with the Enchanted Forest pixie box that we just unboxed? If you haven't already checked out that video, please do check it out. That box nearly gave me a heart attack, but we'll say no more about it. Okay. Magical, enchanting butterflies. Why? Oh, there's so many butterflies in this box. But anyway, do I combine the two and actually create a sort of like forest scene on this and just let it be a really beautiful sort of like light, like a little like night light? What do you think? What do you guys think that I should do with this? I'm also loving the fact that we got so many like sets of things. So like we got a set of glitter, like 5 quite big pots of glitter. We got a whole set of glow in the dark UV resin. We got a whole set of 3D paint as well. So if you don't want to use resin, you can also use your 3D paint. I think that that's really, really cool. And I like that they've stepped out of the box with this one. Please do let me know in the description box. Please let me know in the comment section down below if you have this box or if you're waiting for it, what you would make with it if you receive it. And if you're considering jumping on the Sophie and Toffee train, as I said earlier, I do have a discount code for you in the description box below. So make sure that you do go ahead and use that. Save yourself some pennies when you are shopping with Sophie and Toffee. Right, I have got to go because I need to go and pick up my son from school. And yeah, I'm looking forward to getting my teeth into this. I'm thinking of mixing those two boxes together. I think that might have to be what I do. We'll see. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, then please do share it out with a friend, another crafty buddy. And of course, if you are loving the vibe, then just subscribe so that you don't miss the next one. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.